In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a brake line in AutoCAD step by step using a quick and simple method that works great when you want to visually shorten long objects in your drawing. This is especially useful for architectural plans, mechanical drawings, and any project where you need to clearly show that part of a line or object has been intentionally broken for presentation purposes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open your drawing in AutoCAD. Once your file is open, look at the top ribbon and go to the Express Tools tab. If you don't see it right away, make sure your workspace is showing the full ribbon tools. After you're in the Express Tools section, find and click Brake Line symbol. This is the tool that lets you create the standard brake line marker quickly and accurately. Once the command starts, AutoCAD will ask you to specify the first point. Click the first point where you want the brake line to begin. Then AutoCAD will ask for the second point, so click the second point to define the length and placement of the brake symbol. As you do this, you'll see the brake line preview appear on your drawing, which helps you position it exactly where you need it. If AutoCAD prompts you to adjust the brake size, go ahead and set the size that fits your drawing scale best. This is important because the brake line should look clean and readable without overpowering the rest of your design. After you've adjusted the brake size, press enter to finish the command, and that's it. Your brake line is now placed in AutoCAD. This is a very handy tool to know because it saves time and gives your drawings a more professional look. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.